Hi, it's Darren from Foodcube, and today we're going to look at how to set up your cladding system on your Foodcube or Foodcube Slim. Before we get started, there's a couple of things we're going to need to get the job done. The first I'd recommend is having a cordless screwdriver. You can use an old-fashioned manual screwdriver, but this will just speed up the whole process. The other thing, because we're going to be handling steel cladding panels with potentially sharp edges, we're going to be wearing gloves. Your kit's going to come with 4 panels. There are 2 side panels which are the same whether it's a Foodcube or a Foodcube Slim, and then there are 2 end panels. The end panels have got cutouts in it so that you can access the level setters and adjust the height of the reservoir in your Foodcube. When you open the box, it's got everything you need to install the cladding. There are 2 of the end panels. There's going to be a left and a right. There is your screws and the offset feet. We've got the covers for the holes, and we've got the corner pieces. So everything's in here wrapped up, ready to go. We're going to start by putting the covers over the holes on the end panels. And we'll take an end panel, we'll screw the cover in place. Grab your cordless screwdriver, just nice and slow, take your time. We've attached the first cover plate. The next thing we need to do is attach the offset feet. The offset feet are screwed to the bottom of the end panels, and they just push the bottom of the panel out away from the feet of the Foodcube so that it sits flush with the edge of the Foodcube. Take your cordless screwdriver, and we're just going to attach that offset foot to the bottom of the panel. Again, these just screw nicely into place. You don't need to go too fast, just screw it in nice and gently. And then we are... All right, so we've finished the first of the end panels. We've got the offset foot pushing it out from the bottom. We've got our cover plate in position. Next step is essentially to repeat the same process for the other side of the Foodcube. This is a left panel because the hole is on the left side. I'm going to put it on this end of the Foodcube, and that means we're able to open the panel up here so that you can access the level setter if you need to. Repeat the process for the other end, and then we will do the side panels next. We've finished the 2 end panels. It's time to do the side panels. Again, with the side panels, we need to fit the 2 offset feet. Again, these just screw gently into the bottom. So we've got the 2 offset feet attached at the bottom, and this panel's ready to hang onto the Foodcube. The process is the same for the other side, so I'll go ahead and do that. We have the 4 panels hanging on the Foodcube now. The next step is to install the corner pieces that's going to hold it all together. The holes in the corners are offset. As you can see, there's a long end and a short end. The long end goes towards the top. That will line up with the holes in the panels on your Foodcube. So we use our screws and screw them into place. You start with the top screw holes first. So attach one here, and one on the other side. Then move to the bottom holes. And finally, once you've done the top and the bottom, do the middles. Once you've done one corner, repeat the process on the other three sides. We sell a Foodcube cladding sets as either a 4-pack, which is designed to go around a single Foodcube, or as a 2-pack, which is designed as an extension so that you can join multiple Foodcubes together. So for every additional Foodcube you buy, you'd need a second 2-pack to extend the length of that cladding set. The 2-pack comes with these cover strips that cover the connection point between the two panels where they join. If you need to adjust the level setter on your Foodcube after you've installed the cladding, you simply remove this cover plate, adjust the level setter to the level you want it at, and then just pop the cover plate back on. The cladding system for Foodcube was designed with cutout holes for net clips, frame poles, and for your trellis. So you can still use all of those accessories once you've put the cladding on. With the cladding all complete, now all it's left to do is fill your Foodcube with BioGrow wicking mix and get it planted out.